Hello everyone, we are going to check out the exercise of chapter number 8. Our body is a wonderful machine. It's standard 3rd of science. Section A, class response. A, oral questions. First, what is a cell? Answer, a cell is the smallest unit of our body. Second number, which gas do we take in while breathing? Answer is oxygen. Answer is oxygen. Third number, how various organs of our body get blood? Answer, the heart pumps blood. The heart pumps the blood, and this blood is carried by the blood vessels to all the parts of our body. Now B number, science quiz. First, how many bones are present in our body? Answer is 206. Answer is 206. Second number, name the organs involved in the digestive system. Second number answer, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Third number, name the organ system to which our brain belongs. Third number answer, nervous system. Answer is nervous system. Now worksheet A number MCQs. First, internal organs are protected by blank. Answer is B, skeleton. Second number, the heart, the blood and blood vessels form the blank system. Answer is A, circulatory system. B number, circle the odd ones. First number, stomach, food pipe, heart. We have to circle on heart. Second number, brain, kidney, nerves. We have to circle on kidney. Now C number, filling the blanks with the help of the given words. First, food is mixed thoroughly in the blank. Answer is stomach. Second number, different tissues form an organ. Answer is tissues. Third number, the reproductive system helps the produce babies. Answer is reproductive. Fourth number, breathing purifies our blank. Answer is blood. Answer is blood. Fifth number, our skeletal system is made up of blank bones. Answer is 206. Answer is 206. Now D number, unscramble the words to name the organs of excretory system. First number, answer is lungs. LUNGS, lungs. Second number, skin. SKIN, skin. Third number, kidney. KIDNEY, kidney. KIDNEY, kidney. Okay. Now E number, identify the pictures and write the name of the organ systems in the space provided. First number, answer is respiratory system. First number, answer is respiratory system. Second number, answer is digestive system. Answer is digestive system. And third number, answer is excretory system. Third number, answer is excretory system. Okay. Section B, A, MCQs. First, The blank system throws out our body wastes? Answer is C, excretory. Second number, the bones in our skull protect our blank. Answer is B, brain. B number, very short answer questions. First, how many sense organs are present in our body? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Second number, name the organs that helps us digest the food. Answer is digestive system. Answer is digestive system. C number, short answer questions. First, what is an organ system? First number answer, a group of organs which work together to carry out a major function is called an organ system. Second number, what is the function of heart? Second number answer, the heart pumps blood to all the parts of body. Third number, our organ systems work together to carry out major functions of our body. A number, name any two organs that work together. Third number, A number answer, bones and muscles work together. B number, what value do we learn from this? Third number, answer of B number, we can learn teamwork from our organ system. D number, long answer questions. First, name the organs that form a respiratory system. What does this system do? First number answer, nose, windpipe and lungs together form the respiratory system. This system helps in breathing. When we breathe in, air enters through our nose, goes into windpipe and finally enters the lungs. Second number, during the process of digestion, what happens in A number, stomach? A number, in stomach, food is churned and mixed with digestive juice. B number, small intestine. B number, in small intestine, digestion is completed and food is absorbed in blood. C number, large intestine. C number, in a large intestine, undigested food enters where absorption of water takes place. E number, think and answer. First, our body is a wonderful machine. Our heart resembles which part of a machine? Why? Answer, our heart resembles like an engine of a machine. An engine supplies fuels to all the parts of machine. Similarly, our heart also pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Second number, why is it important to chew food well? Second number answer, because the well chewed food is digested very easily, whereas unchewed food may cause various stomach problems like constipation and indigestion. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down in your notebook one time. Thank you.